Hello friends, welcome to The Point. In today's session, let's discuss about South America. South America, it is a continent in Western Hemisphere, mostly in Southern Hemisphere. So with a relatively small portion in Northern Hemisphere. That is, a very small portion of South America is in Northern Hemisphere. So this South America, it can be considered as a subcontinent of the Americas. This is a political map of South America. So political map is the one that shows the political features of given area. So this includes things like countries, states, provinces, cities, and so on. The countries in South America are Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Chile, Bolivia, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Argentina. South America is surrounded by South Atlantic Ocean in the east, South Pacific Ocean in the west, and Atlantic Ocean in the northeast. South America, this is the fourth largest continent and it extends from Gulf of Darien in the northwest to the archipelago of Tierra del Fuego in the south. The Andes Mountain in South America is the world's longest mountain. So outside the Andes, South America has two principal highland areas. They are the Brazilian highlands and the Guiana highlands, located south of the Amazon River in Brazil. The Brazilian highlands, they are made up of low mountains and plateaus. The Guiana highlands, they are located between Amazon and Orinoco rivers. South America has three important river basins. They are the Amazon River Basin, Orinoco River Basin, and the Parana River Basin. The Amazon River, it has an area of almost 7 million square kilometers, which makes it the largest watershed in the world. This basin, it covers most of the northern South America and it is fed by tributaries from the glaciers of Andes. River Orinoco, it flows north of Amazon River. The Orinoco flows in a giant arc for more than 2,736 kilometers, which originates in the Guiana highlands of northern Brazil and discharges in the Atlantic Ocean in Venezuela. So here is Venezuela. It merges with Atlantic Ocean in Venezuela. This Parana River Basin, it covers almost 2.8 million square kilometers, which is much of southeastern Brazil and Bolivia, Paraguay and northern Argentina. The Parana River, it includes Iguazu Falls. Along with the Uruguay River, the Parana River, it empties into the Rio de la Plateau estuary. between Argentina and Uruguay. The Rio de la Plata, it is the most populated region of both the countries. The capital city of Buenos Aires, Argentina and Montevideo, Uruguay, they practically face each other across the estuary. So this is all about South America. See you all in the next session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.